Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making lemon blueberry bread. Spring is almost here and nothing tastes like spring than fresh fruits and zesty fragrant cakes. This quick bread recipe will be your new favorite. Now let's get baking. In a bowl, we're going to add in 1/3 cup of softened butter, 1 cup granulated sugar, and 2 room temperature eggs. Mix the eggs and sugar mixture until it's nice and creamy. Then add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix and then set aside. In a separate bowl, we're gonna mix together all the dry ingredients. Mix 1 1/2 cup of flour with 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix until well incorporated, then add this to the wet batter. Leave out just a little bit of flour to use later with the blueberries. Before mixing it all together, add in 2 tablespoons of lemon zest and 1 tablespoon of orange zest. Mix the batter, then add in 1/2 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. When the batter is nice and smooth, we can now add in the fresh blueberries. You can add the blueberries with the leftover flour that we saved earlier before adding it in with the batter. Coating the blueberries with a little bit of flour will prevent it from sinking in the bottom of the bread. Then gently fold the blueberries in with the batter. Pour the batter in a pan lined with parchment paper. This is optional, but you can top the batter with more blueberries. Then bake in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit and bake for 60 to 70 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While that is baking, we can make the lemon cream cheese glaze. Simply whisk together the butter, cream cheese, vanilla, powdered sugar, and milk. Here I've added 3 tablespoons of milk, but you can always add less or more depending on how loose you want this glaze to be. Then finally, and this is optional, you can add in more lemon zest and orange zest, and you can always squeeze a little bit of lemon juice into it as well. Cool the lemon and blueberry bread before drizzling in the cream cheese glaze. And then all you have to do is slice it up and enjoy. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe so you can see more of my easy baking videos. Good luck on your baking and see you next time!